Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tackle a common question: what's the difference between indexing and crawling? Let's dive right in. When you search for something on Google, let's say I search for blogging tips and press enter. Then what happens is Google looks into its index, which is like a giant library of web pages it has already stored. It scans all the pages in its index, finds the one related to your search. For example, in this case, it will search all the pages that are related to blogging tips and then presents them in a sorted list based on their relevance and quality. But now comes the big question: how does Google get all those pages into its library or index? The answer is crawling. Google sends out tiny robots, which are also called crawlers or spiders, across the internet. These bots move from one link to another and collect important information from web pages. Let's say a bot is on this page, so it will scan the content of this page and will follow all the links that it will find on this page. For example, this link, this link, this link. By following the link, I mean it will visit that link as well. And by moving link by link, it will crawl all the website. Now these are all the links that are going to other pages of the same website. But this is the link that is going outside of this website. You can see here. So once bot will reach here, it will go to this link as well. And from here, it will move to all the links that it will find on this page. And by doing so, it will crawl this website as well. And while moving link by link, bots gather important information from those pages and send back to Google's library, which is also called index. So they crawl the links, gather important information and sends back to their index. So crawling is when Google's bots go out and discover pages by following links. And indexing is when Google stores the important pages it finds in its library. But here's something important to remember. Not every page that gets crawled will be added to the index. After crawling a page, Google evaluates whether it's worth including. If a page has good, useful, and helpful content, Google will store it in its index. But pages with poor content, duplicate information, or technical issues might get skipped. And that's it. Crawling is like exploring the internet, and indexing is like organizing the best pages in a giant library. Together they ensure Google can quickly deliver the best results for your searches. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.